Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give distance in kilometers, and then our program will simply compute or convert the given kilometers into miles equivalent using Kotlin programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here fun main. It is the starting point of every Kotlin program. So it is a function begin. And then we have here the title, kilometers to miles in Kotlin. We have here 2\n, new line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give distance in kilometers that will be stored in our variable kilometers. Now there is a conversion that will took place here, red line into double. So we have to read the user's input, convert it into double. So when we say double, it is a data type that has a decimal value. Val miles, assignment statement, kilometers divide 1.609, convert to kilometers to miles. And then we have here now for two decimal places, val round miles, string format %2f, no, miles to convert to decimal places to display. New line here, $kilometers is equals to $round miles, and to display the output here. New line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line, and then we close the main function here. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online GDB to run our program. Okay, compiling, no? Let us take wait for a while, no? Okay, kilometers to miles in Kotlin, interdistance in kilometers. Let's say we have 12.43 kilometers. 12.43 kilometers is equals to 7.73 miles in a program. Another example, okay, let's say 6.7 kilometers. 6.7 kilometers is equals to 4.16 miles. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilometers to miles in Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.